Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on a Realme C33. And to do this we'll need to open up our settings, scroll all the way down to find the system. Here go for the gestures, and now we can see all of the options. So first one is system navigation, and here you can change from the gesture navigation to 3-button navigation. So if you use 3 buttons, you will see these 3 buttons on the bottom right here. If you go for a gesture navigations, you'll be able to navigate your phone using the motion and gestures like that to close the app, or to show the other apps open, or go back or go forward, and etc. So that's a system navigation for you. Next one is to lift to check phone. Here if you enable it and lock your device, then pick it up in a grip like that, it should wake up. It does. Next one is press and hold power button, and if you enter it you'll be able to enable it, and you can also use a power and emergency menu, press power and volume up at the same time, and prevent ringing bar with a shortcut available in the volume menu right here. So if you enable these settings, you will have all of the options mentioned. And let's go for this one then, and hold the power key to call out the Google Assistant. As you can see, it works fine. Last one at the bottom is to prevent ringing. To enable, first change press and hold power button. So we need to disable the Google Assistant and enable prevent ringing. And you can use vibrate or mute for this specific setting, and I will use vibrate. Now let's hold the power key. Oh, you need to use a power key and volume up key at the same time, and that way you'll enter vibrate or mute mode. And that's all of the gestures on this device available. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.